Hello, my name is Eugene Rodriguez, and I am a founding member of America's Virtual Chamber of Commerce and Industry. You can join us at avcci.us. Again, my name is Eugene Rodriguez, and I am a business relationship manager, senior acquisition at JP Morgan Chase. I've been helping businesses for over 20 years with banking needs and consulting on any issues they may have and any needs they may have, which can range from accessibility to their accounts, cash management issues, money movement issues, and financing issues. If you ever need any assistance or just want to have a conversation and form a better relationship with your banking institution, that is what my role is created to do. I come out to see you so that you can stay in your business, manage it, and continue your success. With that said, Eugene Rodriguez, JP Morgan Chase, Senior Relationship Business Acquisition Manager. Feel free to reach out to me. Always happy to have a conversation. Thank you and be well.